ready? Alright, scoop it out with this scooper, okay? Whoa.
Look, you made an orange.
Orange egg. Do I just put it in the thing?
Yeah.
You made an orange egg.
Orange egg. Orange egg.
You got the other one?
Sure.
Okay, ready? Alright, let's scoop this one.
This boo-boo.
Whoa.
It's a boo-boo.
It's a blue egg.
It's a blue egg.
Alright, you want to share to scoop this one?
I'll do this blue.
Here, you want to help? Take this. Ready? Hold on. Alright, I'll do it.
Here, there's two if you want.
Right here.
It's a bean.
Can you pull it out with... Here, pull it out. No. There you go. There you go. Oh, alright, that's fine. Good job.
Pretty color.
This blue.
Is it a red egg?
It's an egg. Red egg.
Oh, red egg.
Red egg.
Alright, can you get the yellow one? Can you scoop out the yellow one? No, don't touch. Just scoop it with your scooper. Here, I'll help you.
Scooper's a little hard.
Yeah, it really is. For a 2-year-old, I suppose.
It's yellow egg.
It's a yellow egg.
Good work, Luke.
It's a
Alright,
yellow
and
egg.
one more.
And blue egg.
And blue egg.
Yay!
Yay!